Travel smartly and full of excellent reading. After becoming successfully a Silver Elite tier member in Al-Fursan Saudia Airlines, the frequent flyer needs 15 flights or 20,000 miles as tier credits. During the next calendar year in the way to maintain this tier status. But what are the benefits of being a Silver Elite tier member in Al-Fursan? With all conditions and policies, this tier in Al-Fursan offers the following main benefits. Priority in boarding and in call handling. Rapid check-in and special attention to luggage as business class passenger. Lounge access domestically and internationally. Extra 25% rewards miles. Our reading from the literature via the digital channels of Al-Fursan and Saudia Airlines. Be a lifelong friend for the channel. This is Shadi. To the next XP. Have a happy day.